What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna replace the belt tensioner. So we're gonna remove this. So the belt tensioner is right there, got two bolts, and this one is over here right there, one is all the way at the bottom, and we might have to push the tensioner to get to it. What we're gonna do is we need a 17mm with a big ratchet, and we're gonna turn this baby to release the belt. We're gonna go right into the bottom, and we're gonna compress this piston, not a piston, we're gonna compress the tensioner so we can release the tension off this little guy, and then we should be able to remove the belt from one of these pulleys. And once we do that, we should be able to let go of this guy, and our ratchet should come off at this point. Okay, there you go. And we're gonna just take off the belt from here a little bit, and we're gonna let it sit on this side. It's fine to let it sit here. So now we got two bolts on that tensioner. How are we gonna reach them? We're gonna have to fish them out. One is in the bottom, one is on the top end. Okay, what I want to do is I'm gonna use this to stick into the little hole that it has in the bottom. So you do need to figure that part out. I will show you that on the new tensioner. So I'm gonna get this in, then I will show you, because I can't even, I need to be where the camera is at. If you can see where I got this, let me take the light with it so you guys can see it. So you need to yank the tensioner and put this in its place so you can have access to that bolt. Once you do that, you should be able to get this guy off, and I'm gonna take off the two bolts that's around it. You're gonna need is E12. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get this guy from back there somehow, some way. So once I get that off, I will show you. And then you have one over here. Okay, right here. This is the one. So I'm gonna remove them both, and now the picture should come out, but the camera is not going in there. Okay, this was a good spot for the camera. So I took off this bolt from the bottom here. Okay, and then this one is loose. E12. It's an inward torque socket. This is what it look like. Okay, so you should pick up a set of these if you got a Mercedes, all the way up to E14. Anyways, there you have it. There's the tensioner. This baby's coming out. Let's take a look at it outside right now. So we're waiting for the new piece. Oh, this is freaking light. Okay, so here's our two bolts that we took off. And remember, this is what we did right here. This is what you got to do to get this tensioner to the spot. So the new one's going to come with a little hook. We're going to leave this baby right here. So this thing was wobbly. Okay, it wasn't looking so good. So we just got to wait for the new one. Pop that in. Put the belt in. Bada bing, bada boom. All good to go. So here we are with the part. Okay, Gates make this, so they got a tape on this. So I hate how these people, these parts department, they sell parts with tapes all around it. If somebody freaking open, say use this and return, say, there you go. See that taping right there? Right there. Look at all this tape right here. So anyways, part number 38319. That's the part number on this baby. So let's see what comes out of this. Okay. So there's our pin. Remember the pin I was talking about? That pin is there already. It's already put in for us. So now we're going to put the camera right there, just like we had it before. Okay, so we got a pretty good angle on the camera this time. So what we're going to do is, we're going to go in with one hand. And it's going to be hard to see, but we'll see if we can manage this single-handedly. There you go. So you don't want to go crazy with tightening this, and you don't want to strip nothing, and just get a good feeling to it, nice and snugged in. So I'm gonna get this in, and then I am gonna just leave it this loose enough. Just go back a thread so we can move around. So the second bolt gotta go in. Okay, we're going to use our socket and extension to guide this guy in. And I can see from this side right there And you have to wiggle it around a bit. Once you catch the threads, this should go in pretty good. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna hand tighten this stuff. Then we'll put the belt on and release the tensioner. There you go. I'm gonna use my second hand. Just snug this guy. You don't want to go crazy and snap the bolt. Let me see if I can get that second one. There we go. Same thing. Nice and snugged in. Bada bing, bada boom. We're all set to go. Okay, make sure you put your belt in. Same way. Okay, let's see if I can get the routing correct. Baby went in this angle. So all we do is take it off here and the top pulley. You might really have to yank the pulley a bit. Okay, so we're gonna get our. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the belt from the top here. We'll put the belt onto this pulley because the tensioner might disturb us from grabbing the. What we're gonna do is I'll put the belt up here so the belt is going everywhere, and I'm gonna release that pin, and this baby goes right on. Make sure your belt sits properly. If you get it off, there you go. There you go, perfect. Okay, bada bing, bada boom. That's how simple this job was. Took me no more than 10 minutes to take out, no more than 10 minutes to put in. So make sure your belt is routed properly and it's sitting good on each pulley, and you're all good to go. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And when you're changing this, you should change these pulleys as well, but nobody has them. I'm probably gonna order them and put them in for this customer. This is a friend of mine. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And I'll make sure to put that cover back on. Bye-bye.